Wood is very sensual and nice to the touch. It is very different from metal. Metal is cold, wood is warm. And there's a certain feeling that when you're in touch with nature. And these are old trees, ancient trees cut into timber. In the past, when the Colonials were around, they used very good furniture, beautiful furniture made of solid wood, which were built to last. I grew up using some of these style of furniture, so I was inspired to design a range where we can interpret it in a more contemporary fashion. The design aesthetic is more Art Deco, where we use geometric shapes, like in this case a half round on the side, circles, squares, triangles, and rounded forms, but basically the theme is solid timber.
我的公司是 Golden Aero Wooden Manufacturing， 成立于2008年，在于高原槟城。我们公司主要做就是木门、木框、木家具等等。我觉得这个 DIP program 对我们这个行业真的很有大的帮助。关键就在这个设计。如果你的设计能够符合年轻一代的需求，有国际的水准。 那么，这个对我们销售市场上是一个很好、很大的帮助。
Well, I have the great pleasure of working together with Golden Aero. Mr. Hui was very accommodating with my ideas, willing to try and experiment. They manufactured outdoor furniture and decorative doors as well. But this was something in a different field altogether, where a designer comes in with a concept for the product, which we can then market worldwide.